Maayong hapon, maayong adlaw sa atong mga kaigsuunan, sa mga Cotabateños, taga Arakan Valley Complex. Anya na pud kita, magribag kita og mga seedling. What we are doing is rebagging all seedlings. Kay ato aning i-graft. It's either longkong or duko ang sumpay na to ani para sa atong mga beneficiary. So this gonna be the cellophane, the polyethylene bag that we are using. Ano ganito? This is 8 by 10. Yeah, 8 by 10. Yeah. Kasi from this cellophane, this one, from this, maliit kasi yung the polyethylene bag is very small. So what we gotta do is you have to transfer this one here, and this is the size of this polyethylene bag is 8 by 10. So we just have to remove the cellophane and transfer here. So as simple as this. So ang soil na ginamit natin is a mixture of garden soil, and we have also rice hull, vermicompost. Yeah. So this is what the project management doing. We are doing this one in preparation for the next Serbisyong Totoo Caravan. But of course, meron na tayong doon, na graph doon. Ayan yung nag-graph natin na lansones. So ito naman yung yung susunod para sa ating mga kababayan. Ito yung, this is what we are preparing. And of course, natin to. Ganito lang, hindi naman natin kailangan punuin masyado. So pag okay na ang ating seedlings, ito, and then ready for grafting, and our staff will do a grafting, and after a month or more than that, and tingnan natin kasi napakalaki ng ng probability ng survival rate nung ating mga grafted na lansunis kaysa doon sa iba. Kasi ito naman madali lang ito masyado. Even cuttings sa sa lansunis pwede. Even ima-market mo siya pwede. Pero mas reliable talaga pag ginrap natin siya, kasi ang ating aim naman doon is mapapabunga natin siya ng mas maaga, mapapabunga natin siya ng mas marami yung kanyang bunga. So yun ang this is what we are aiming for, and we are doing this one for our beneficiaries, for the farmers of Metro Arakan Valley Complex. So ayan po, maraming salamat and mabuhay. Serbisyong Totoo, together we make a difference.